For this week's assignment, we have to create a Google form. So I'm going to pull up my internet browser. I'm going to go to my Gmail account. I'm using Google, obviously. And then I'm going to go to Google Drive. I'm going to click New, Google Forms. Blank form. I'm going to name it okay, I don't need that. I'm going to name it New Incoming College Students. For the first question, I'm going to put it short answer for their name. This is a requirement. I'm making it required. Add question. And then I'm going to make 5 different questions in paragraph form so they're able to type up. Let's see. Let's see. All right, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions and a required question for their name. I am going to send it just so I can show that I also know how to send the form. So you're going to hit send. I'm going to send it to my email. And include form and email. I'm going to hit send, and then I'm gonna go check my inbox. New incoming students. Fill out in Google Forms. Click that if I'm gonna fill it out, and then I would put my name and I would answer all the questions if I was a student and hit submit. There we go. Created a form in Google Forms.